Good morning, second grade scholars. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, and it is my birthday. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Alrighty, so it is going to be another lovely day, a high of 75. Ooh, we are definitely getting up there. So, yesterday was a lovely day, nice and warm, and today is also going to be a really nice day. And yeah, I think I might do something special. I think we might get some special dinner for my birthday today. And I'm not sure, what should I have? I was thinking I would like to have some Korean food because Korean food is really delicious. And I like to get this kind of food. It's called kimbap. And it's sort of like a sushi roll, but it has like Korean beef inside and egg. And it's very tasty. All right. It's a kimchi, which is like pickled cabbage that's spicy. And anywho, that's kind of fun. That's what I'm going to do today. What fun thing are you going to do today? Let me know. Send me a comment. All right, so it is May 20th. It's Wednesday. That means that tomorrow we get to have our Zoom class meeting. And special thing for our Zoom class meeting tomorrow, Thursday, 1 o'clock, is that I think all the third grade teachers are going to be at our meeting tomorrow. I think so. I think I've heard from Miss Halverson, Mr. Long, and Miss Tanner. And I'm going to, I remember I was going to share with you guys a really funny video that Miss Tanner made with Miss Erbrock. And it's them singing. It's a very beautiful rendition of a song called Don't Pick Your Nose. So Miss Tuzana shared that at our staff meeting. We had a little sort of a Zoom staff meeting yesterday, I think. So that was nice to see all of my friends, my fellow colleagues, my teacher friends. They all say hello. They all miss all of you students. They miss all of their students. And so yeah, we're talking about fun ways to end the year. And so make sure that you try your best. I know everybody can't come, but try your best. Our Zoom meeting tomorrow, the third grade teachers will come and they're going to answer questions. And you can just see their faces, and it helps everybody just to feel a little bit more like more calm, knowing that you've seen your next year's teachers. So that'll be fun. Yeah, Zoom meeting tomorrow. And Miss London, Miss Schultz, and I are getting excited. We're preparing some little sort of demonstration videos for some craft activities and some games that you can play next week when we're going to do our little medieval feast. And so next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we'll have some little activity ideas for you to do each day. This will be totally optional, of course, but it might be kind of fun for you to try it. And then next Friday, I think we'll probably do our little Zoom meeting next Friday instead of next Thursday. I'm going to talk to Miss Schultz and Miss Lund. But that way we can kind of show if we've dressed up or if we've made any kind of special food to eat. That would be kind of fun to share with each other. So, yeah. Here you all are. Look at those cute students. And you know what, I was trying to get a little bit organized here with my desk, and I found our seating chart, which has the same pictures, but just in a little bit different format. So do you remember sitting in this order? We had, so these are the people at the front. We had Liam, June, Lucas, Leah, Samuel, Lincoln, Iggy, and Avery at the front. And then in our second row, let's see, who do we have here? Amira, Ryu, Wyatt, Sophie, Nuri, Nikolai, Lucy, and Brooklyn were in our second row. And let's see, the door was over here in our classroom. And these are the windows. And then in our third row, we had Armand and Madeline and Oliver and Vera and Isa and Marie and Zach. And then in the back row, we had Braxton and Stella and Drew and Daphne. So I just thought that was kind of fun. Remember where you used to sit? Alrighty. So let's see what else. We did the date. We did the weather. It's going to be a beautiful day. Oh, yesterday's check-in question had to do with science. And our question was, what is a wheel and axle? And so a wheel You all did a very nice job on this. A wheel is like a circular shaped object, kind of like a disc, um, and it is held in place by an axle, which is like a bar, a stiff bar, so that the wheel doesn't just roll away. So the bar is the axle, and then the wheel is the circular part, or the disc-shaped thingy that helps make work easier. Today's check-in question has to do with history, and what does it have to do with today? Oh, it is about some of the explorers, and I believe our question for today has to do with Christopher Columbus. So that'll be fun. A little bit of history today. Let's see, what should we do today? So we have our check-in question, has to do with history. We have a little bit of spelling, a bit of math, a little bit of reading, some optional activities. You could start gathering some kind of craft supplies in case you want to do some activities for next week. And our medieval feast craft ideas, or little games and things like that. It would be helpful to have, some things to color with or draw with, some paper, kind of just some things that you can find around your house to do some craft activities. So we'll have more information about that coming soon. But Miss London, Miss Schultz, and I are getting excited to share some of those fun activities with you all. And, in Miss Tuzana's announcement, she mentions today is Bee Day, like celebrating honeybees and how they are pollinators and help our food supply. And there's a cute song and little video about how bees make honey. And it mentions something we've studied in science that has to do with the water cycle. So it talks about evaporation. So maybe you can find out, well, what does honey have to do with evaporation, or what part of the honey making process involves when water turns from a liquid into a gas, and it goes into the air as water vapor. So you might want to look into that. And again, our virtue for the last month of school, wisdom. Wisdom means the ability to learn a thing and see its usefulness. So it's sort of like thinking about, well, kind of applying what we've learned to real life too. Like, hey, we learned about the water cycle and evaporation, and I was just applying what I learned when I was watching Miss Tuzana's daily announcement. I thought, oh, I know about evaporation. We studied that in science. So thinking about why it's useful to learn things. Science means to know. We seek to know truths and to do what we know is good. We try to have good sense, forgiving others, and trying to be fair and equitable. So, today and every day, learn something new. Try your best. Be kind to one another. Let's make today the best day yet. It's a great day to be a knight. I hope you have a fabulous day, scholars, and I look forward to seeing you hopefully tomorrow at our Zoom class meeting, where we can ask some of the third grade teachers some questions. So that would be fun. Have a great day. Bye.